It's an all-out mentality. One that is, no tomorrow. Period. Point blank. We put ourselves in this 3-0 position, and now we're just trying to fight our way out of it.
How proud are you of the resolve of this team?
Well, I'm proud, to be a representation of the past. We're in the current right now. We're conscious of where we are. I think we're playing decent basketball. We can get better. And to beat this team, we're going to have to do better.
What do you think it's going to be like going back to Boston and the atmosphere there?
I don't know. It's going to be great atmosphere, but as far as the game, I have no idea.
KJ, Doc was talking about how this was the first game you thought you completely trusted each other in terms of making that extra pass out of the trap, doing. How do you feel about that?
I thought we moved the ball. I thought we trusted each other. We put ourselves in this 3-0 position, so this is where we got to. It's what it is. We got to trust each other at this point. We have no other options. If we don't, one-on-one basketball doesn't work with this team. It doesn't work against this team. In order for us to be successful, we have to lean on one another, and that's what we're doing on both ends.
Kevin, you said this morning that you guys would.
Say that again, please?
You said this morning you guys would take a punch. There was no question they would come out and deliver some kind of punch. Down 11-0. What's going through your mind and the team's mind collectively?
Hey, they made a run. Everybody, don't panic, don't overreact. Let's come out here, execute and do the things that we talked about doing in the first couple of minutes. And I thought once we settled in, we did that.
Yeah, was nice to have that balance on offense tonight with multiple guys, double figures like that.
Yeah, I thought, like Jackie said earlier, I thought we trusted each other. We moved the ball. Guys who had shots, we took them. We was aggressive. Then we came down and played some decent defense. They made some shots. They missed some shots. They made some shots. We stayed with it, regardless of what it was. We continued to attack. And it's pretty much what we got to do from here on out.
You're down 3 games to 2, but you've won the last 2. Do you feel the series has turned around?
No, I'm still down. It's all out. Our mentality has to be all out. It can't be anything other than that.
Kevin, you're rebounding. Is it effort, position, will, or what's allowing you to do that in the series?
I have no idea.
Kevin, each game it takes its own identity. How much can you build now from this one going home? I know that you still have to win the game, but do you have to feel much better about yourself as a team?
No. We're down 3. We're down 3-2. Next game, we lose is it. So, I don't know what everybody's talking about, getting comfortable or, feeling good. We're down 3-2. It's not like we evened it up and we're going back home. No, we're down 3-2. So, I don't know what being comfortable is about.
But you feel that you have a better read of how to play that team?
I just feel like we won the last 2. We're going to win those games. All right. I'll take it easy.
Thank you.